Daily use English sentences. Listen, repeat, and practice. Let's begin. Let me see what I can do. Repeat. Let me see what I can do. This sentence is used to show that someone will try to help or find a solution to a problem, but it doesn't promise a definite answer. It's polite and often used in customer service or everyday situations when you want to offer assistance. Example: A. I really need help fixing my computer. It won't start. B. Let me see what I can do. Maybe I can figure out the problem. A. That would be great. I'm really stuck. B. No worries. I'll check it step by step and see if we can get it working. We can't afford that place. Repeat. We can't afford that place. This sentence means that the speaker does not have enough money to pay for a particular place, like a restaurant, hotel, or apartment. It expresses a financial limitation. Example: A. Wow, this apartment is amazing. Let's rent it. B. I wish we could, but we can't afford that place. It's too expensive for our budget. A. Oh, you're right. Maybe we should look for something smaller. B. Yes, let's find a nice place that fits our budget. Why did that happen? Repeat. Why did that happen? This sentence is used to ask for the reason or cause of an event or situation. It shows curiosity, concern, or confusion about something unexpected. Example: A. The meeting was canceled at the last minute. B. Really? Why did that happen? A. The manager had an emergency and couldn't come. B. Oh, that makes sense now. It's not a big deal. Repeat. It's not a big deal. This sentence means that something is not very important or not serious. It is often used to calm someone down or to say that a small problem is okay. Example: A. I'm sorry I'm a few minutes late. B. It's not a big deal. We just started. A. Are you sure you're not upset? B. Don't worry at all. It's totally fine. I'm looking forward to it. Repeat. I'm looking forward to it. This sentence means that someone feels happy and excited about something that will happen in the future. It shows positive expectation. Example: A. We're meeting our old friends this weekend. B. That sounds great. I'm looking forward to it. A. Me too. It's been a long time. B. Yes, it will be really nice to see them again. Let's not worry about that. Repeat. Let's not worry about that. This sentence is used to suggest that something is not important right now and should not cause stress. It helps to calm the situation and focus on the present. Example: A. I'm worried we might be late for the movie. B. Let's not worry about that. We still have some time. A. I hope you're right. B. Relax, we'll get there soon. I'm not sure this is working. Repeat. I'm not sure this is working. This sentence means the speaker feels uncertain or doubtful about whether something is successful or effective. It is often used when a plan, idea, or method does not seem to give good results. Example: A. We've tried this new study plan for 2 weeks now. B. Yeah, I'm not sure this is working. A. You're right. I still feel confused about the lessons. B. Maybe we should try a different approach. Can I pay by card? Repeat. Can I pay by card? This sentence is used to ask if payment can be made using a debit or credit card instead of cash. It is common in stores, restaurants, and other services. Example: A. How much is the total bill? B. It's $20. A. Okay, can I pay by card? B. Yes, of course. Please insert your card here. Are you serious about that? Repeat. Are you serious about that? This sentence is used to check if someone truly means what they said. It shows surprise, doubt, or disbelief and asks for confirmation. Example A. I'm thinking about quitting my job next month. B. Are you serious about that? A. Yes, I want to try something new. B. Wow, that's a big decision. I didn't expect that. Repeat, I didn't expect that. This sentence is used when something happens that surprises the speaker. It shows that the result or situation was different than what they thought would happen. Example A. They offered me the job right after the interview. B. Really? I didn't expect that. A. Me neither. I thought I would have to wait. B. That's great news. Congratulations. I need to return this package. Repeat, I need to return this package. This sentence means the speaker wants to give an item back to the store or sender, usually because it is damaged, incorrect, or no longer needed. Example A. Hello, I need to return this package. B. Sure, what seems to be the problem with it? A. It arrived damaged and I can't use it. B. I understand. Let me help you with the return process. Sorry to bother you. Repeat. Sorry to bother you. This sentence is a polite way to get someone's attention or ask for help. It shows respect and awareness that you may be interrupting them. Example A. Sorry to bother you, but could you help me find this address? B. No problem at all. Let me take a look. A. I've been walking around for a while. B. I understand. It's just 2 blocks from here. It's worth a try. Repeat. It's worth a try. This sentence means something may or may not succeed, but it is a good idea to try it anyway because there is nothing to lose. Example A. I'm not sure this new app will help me learn English. B. Maybe, but it's worth a try. A. You're right. I won't know unless I try. B. Exactly. You might be surprised by the results. Did you understand the instructions? Repeat. Did you understand the instructions? This sentence is used to check if someone clearly understood what they were told to do. It is common in classrooms, workplaces, and daily situations. Example A. I just explained how to complete the form. B. Okay, did you understand the instructions? A. Yes, I think so. I'll start filling it out now. B. Great. Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks for watching.